Hey everyone, Danny here, Red Sand Adventures. Just out, cold day here on the east coast of Canada. It's like minus, I think 26 with the wind chill. Pretty windy, I think gusting around 60 kilometers. So anyway, just out, actually checking out, looking, scoping out spots to do some winter camping. Kinda got the urge to do some winter camping here. Never really did it before in a tent, so just checking out a spot that I think might be good for it, that I'd take you along and show you. Couple ducks in the water in there. See if I can zoom into them. One's a mallard. Can't really tell in the video, but this is actually a place we go fishing in the summer. I thought it might be a good spot to camp, so let's check it out. It's hard to tell where the trail is in the wintertime, but I think it's over this way. Probably should have wore snowshoes. Bunch more ducks in the water. Couple mallards there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ducks going in a little group there. Alright, we made it into the spot where I was thinking would be a good place to camp. Where we usually set up to fish. It's a little clearing here. I think it'd be a perfect spot. Put a tent. And the ducks flying down there. Well, there's more ducks up here. Let's see if we can get up to them. There's a ton of them. Oh, there they go. They took off. So this is what I'm thinking. Tent right about here. Or it could go over here maybe. Wow. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you think this might be a good spot to camp. I'm going to be camping here today. It's cold. You can probably hear that wind blowing, but I think this would definitely be a nice spot to camp. Anyway, stay tuned. See what happens. Might end up camping here one of these days. Like and subscribe. Appreciate it.